What if I told you that there is such a thing called easy money, wherein you earn a lot of money in just a short amount of time? Would you believe me? Well, in this video, that is what I will prove and show to you. For today's strategy, I will be teaching you how to earn $5 every single minute. Yes, you heard that right. $5 every single minute. Imagine that in just 5 minutes, you will have $25. In 30 minutes, you will have $150. And in just 1 hour of your time, you will have over $300. Amazing, right? This is one of the best strategies to make money online, but only if you follow all the steps that I am about to show you in this video. So watch it until the very end and you will earn a lot of money in passive and unlimited income. So if you're ready to make a change in your life and earn a lot of money, then stay tuned until the very end of this video. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. With that said, I would like to welcome everyone to Smart Money Girl. In this channel, I love teaching people how to build a business and make money online the smart way. And if you don't want to miss out on more videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, guys, let's jump straight into the video. Hey everyone! Welcome to another video. I am really excited to show you this new strategy that will help you earn a lot of money in just a short amount of time. But I know what you are thinking. What exactly will we be doing to make an income on this website? Well, that's easy. The website that I will be showing you today is one of the world's leading software reviews and selection platforms around the world, which basically means that a lot of businesses and business owners go over to this website to get their products like softwares and platforms and be tested on people like us. We are then going to give it reviews based on what we think about it, which in return will help a lot of potential buyers of these softwares to decide on whether they would actually purchase the product or not. Just as easy as that. That's just not it. You will not be stressed on how to do these different reviews because you don't even have to buy those softwares or even use them. Amazing! The best part is, I am going to show you in this video the step-by-step process on how to do this simple but great method. So follow along and don't skip a single part of this video as you don't want to skip over any important parts of this strategy. With that said, guys, the name of the website that will pay us today is called Capterra.com. If we scroll down to the bottom of the website, and you will see right here that there are over 34 categories here, which includes their subcategories. Now that's a huge number if you ask me. So for example right here, accounting and finance. If you click on it, right on this drop down arrow right here, we can see that there are a lot of different subcategories. This just proves that this site has a huge potential and you earn unlimited income with it, and you will never run out of software to review. But you may be asking, why would this website pay us almost $10 per review, which only takes us a few minutes to accomplish? Why would they pay us a huge amount? Well, the answer is actually much simpler than you think. All the owners of these websites or these programs and softwares, which we will write a review about, are willing to pay us a huge amount to put on a good review about their products. Because a higher rating in their products will entice a lot more people to buy it. Of course, when you see something that has good reviews by a lot of people, you will also be interested to buy it, right? So that is why we are getting paid a huge amount. So now, I want you to go over here over on the top part of their homepage and find where it says write a review. Then click on it After we click on it, we will be redirected to this page right here. If you liked what you are viewing and learning in this video, please smash the like button and comment down below what country you are watching this video from. This will help maintain my strategies be effective worldwide. I'm really excited to see them. Now, back on the video. Now, you will come over here to the search bar right here and search for different types of applications or products that you might have already used, which you will then write a review on. For example, let's say Facebook. After I search it, we will see a lot of Facebook results, but you want to click on the application itself and click on that. You can do this for any website or application, guys. So after I click on it, I will then be redirected to this page right here, where you will type in basic details and information about yourself. You then just input everything right here, your name, your email address, and here is a critical part, your job title. Now if you are employed, just input it right here. But if not, then I want you to input freelancer. For the organization name, if you are employed, just input it here. If not, type in here self-employed. For the industry, write just whatever industry you are working at. And if you're unemployed, just choose whatever is suitable to you. Then just input the company size if you're employed. And for unemployed or freelancers, just input in myself only. You will now be asked how long you have been using this software, which has a lot of different options. We have free trial here, less than 6 months, 6 to 12 months, and a lot more. So what I recommend to you guys is to click on 2 or more years or at least 6 to 12 months, because if you select less than 6 months or free trial, most likely you won't get paid for the reviews you make. So I suggest that you click on either of these 3 options right here. Just below, we can see that you'll be asked how frequently you use this software. You can choose either at least weekly or daily, so that they will know that you have been using this website or this software and they will trust your review. On this next one, what is your role in using this software? So just click on I am user and click on next. On the second page, we can see that we have to rate the application. So right here we have overall quality. I suggest that you select 4 or 5 stars. Then we have here customer support, features and functionality, value for money, ease of deployment, and a lot more. So follow me, guys. Then we are gonna click on next. We will then be redirected to the third and final page of this review, guys. Take note, guys. This is the most important part of the review, so stick with me. This is the part wherein you will now put your thoughts and opinion about the product that you will be reviewing on. So this right here is where you will put in your title, and this right here is where you will put the pros and cons. And in the last box, you are going to describe your overall experience with the website or software. This is actually optional, but I suggest you input something over here because it will give you a greater chance of actually getting paid. Then for did you switch from another product, just click on no and then just click submit right here. And for everyone that stuck with me until this part of the video, I am going to share one secret tip for this strategy to be much more successful. Remember when I told you that this can be done in a short amount of time? Well, there is just one reason. We are going to base our review on other people's reviews. So we will now go on google.com and search for reviews on the product you want to do a review on. We will now paraphrase some of this statement or make it as an inspiration, and you will earn a ton of money. To make your life much easier, you can use a paraphrasing tool for this. Just search on any website for this over on Google, and there are a ton of this. Then just copy and paste it over on these boxes and click on submit right here. And just wait for Capterra to send you an update. And that's it! so you can make a ton of reviews on any software you prefer, and again, you can base it off on review of other people and just paraphrase it and paste it onto Koptera. Just like that. And now we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below, as it helps the channel grow a lot. And if you want to keep up to date with all my next uploads, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell down below so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all soon in my next Smart Ways to Make Money Online. Bye!